Christophe Bisciglia, 2015 Early Career Diamond Award winner.
He is so energetic, and it's addictive.
He's always the guy with outrageous ideas about what we could do next.
The level of accomplishment is amazing. Hiring early employees, working on open source, having influence in education, building a course at the University of Washington, turning that into an opportunity to build and found one of the most influential companies in this era of big data.
And he's now been a founder of 2 companies and really successful at Google when he was just 20 years old.
Christophe started at Google as a software engineer on the personalized search team. He quickly made a name for himself there and across the industry.
Really the projects of his own initiative that really took off, and it was his work at Google doing MapReduce education that landed him on the cover of Business Week.
Google was growing very quickly. We interviewed a lot of candidates out of industry and academia. Christophe noticed pretty quickly that the types of students that would interview had really no idea how to do machine learning at the scale that Google was doing over the entire web at the time.
This idea of programming against thousands of computers at the same time was very new. And so he took it upon himself to create a course that would educate the next wave of students such that when they apply to Google, they would be ready to do the type of programming Google needed.
Christophe recognized the impact of cloud computing power and brought it to colleges around the globe. He wanted to take it a step further by bringing big data computing to the masses. Today, Cloudera is the leading big data analytics company in the world.
Cloudera was Christophe's first foray into startups in Silicon Valley. He connected with the right investors, connected with the right co-founders to really make that a success. And it really turned into a rocket ship. It's created an entire ecosystem of now big data companies who are building on top of that platform to really connect the business value to customer experiences and touchpoints.
One thing that I think Christophe is really good at is finding or identifying what that next thing will be. It's not easy, and he's been able to do that time after time.
He's that guy with a vision.
Cloudera was the platform for his next venture, WibiData. Where Cloudera provides software support and training for enterprises, WibiData develops big data applications that deliver personalized experiences for customers.
WibiData was the next logical step, and with the experience from founding Cloudera, it was very easy for him to go raise money, find the talent. He's known not just in the industry of computer science and academia. He's somehow been able to break into some of mainstream media, riding the wave of big data from Google to Cloudera to now WibiData.
And by having that infectious spirit, he's able to get the best and brightest.
He knows how to explain to people what an opportunity is and why it might be beneficial to them. It's probably the biggest key ingredient that Christophe has in being successful.
His thinking is so out of the box, I would call it a personal brand for this passion about education and about massively parallel computation that Hadoop and Cloudera now represents. He's the epitome of early career achievement. I think he has not only founded a company that's really successful, but he's actually essentially pushed out an entire industry that's core to the modern edge of computer science.